You cannot beat this view. Dude, this is awesome.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow.
You cannot beat this view. Good morning, friends, and as you can see from that site, it is a good morning. Really hungry. I guess the cold will do that to you.
And after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 oh,
All right, breakfast is ready. I have a non-breakfast sandwich. Never been made before, but it might be flavorful and whatnot. Who knows? And I got some black coffee, of course. Now, I'm thinking, why not go sit on the beach? So, let's go do that. Oof. Dude, you cannot knock this view at all. It is so perfect. I'm so glad I picked this spot. It's perfect spot. All right, let's give it a taste test. Oh man, that's pretty good, y'all. Hold on. That's dynamite, man. That's fire. And speaking of fire, I could use some hot sauce. I might start making that a camping necessity. All right, well, time to clean up and get ready. This was nice. Oh man, I'm definitely gonna keep this spot in my memory for summertime, definitely. So if you don't have a container, like me for example, you don't want the dirty or good bag for like your utensils, just wrap it in foil. Pretty little trick I learned myself. Another thing, so when using a camp stove, when you turn it off, like wait to pretty much turn it off first, so that way the rest of the gas stops flowing to it, you feel me? So you won't have no little mini leaks or anything. So I got a good amount left. I've been using this for the past 3 trips now. These things last. In the bag you go. Coffee Yard's a good brand, y'all, for a camp stove. Amazon, about 60, 70 bucks. Can't beat it. Okay, everything is pretty much set up, utensil and camp gear wise. Now, I just gotta put up my tent. Oh man, the water was just making some mad waves just now. It sounded so calming. I wish it did that last night while I was sleeping. All right. Gotta get some stuff out of here. Little protection, little multi-tool, has a knife to it. Oh, just in case. All right, y'all, I just wanted to sneak in this last moment before I leave the campsite. And yeah, I gotta show you this view at the tent. It is different when it's daytime. Dude, this is awesome. Alrighty, got the mattress deflated and all packed up. Next is the tent. Yo, I see somebody right there. There we go. And this one. Now we can pull it out. All right, my friends, that is it. Campsite is all clean. I even left my last piece of wood for the next person. There you go. Now you can see it. But anyways, really good spot. It's gonna go down in my memory for favorite spots of all time for sure. You guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. You know, I'm at past 1,000 subs right now, and that's truly amazing. That means, you know, I'm doing something right, so I appreciate y'all. Next adventure, I'm gonna try to glamp again. You know, I'll be looking on Airbnb this week and see what they have. Or if you have any recommendations, then please do. And also, don't forget, I have a recipe email where you can send me recipes. It's going to be right here, pushsagerecipes@gmail.com. All right? So, with that being said, it's time to hit the road. Love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. And you know, you got to close out the video with some drone shots. It's going to be some good ones.